Now, one of the things that we are seeing coming from the Guangzhou Auto Show is that, boy, I must say, you've seen on the screen, you notice that it is packed, it is flooded on the ONVO booth. This is massive, this is bullish, because seeing this kind of crowds, I mean, have a look at this picture, guys. You'll notice that there are so many news reporters, so many people want to be as close as possible to the car, which this is bullish, this is massive. This shows you the potential that lies within the ONVO cars. I mean, this is just great, man. I mean, the Guangzhou Auto Show has been taking place from the 15th of as of yesterday, which seeing these kind of crowds in just the second day, boy, it makes me wonder the order that ONVO is going to collect during this show. I mean, we have spoken about some of the latest developments that have taken place. I mean, the development of the ex-Peng CEO going inside the car and giving some good thoughts on what he thinks about the car inside, which he said it's very, it's extremely comfortable and it is quite big, which is something that is very, very interesting. I mean, even the CEO of Xiaomi has made some very good comments about this car and said that Nio, it is the leader in the new energy vehicle space based on what he's seeing from this car, based on what he's seeing Nio producing. He said Nio, it is with no doubt the leader. He believes that, which is massive, which is bullish. I know that right now so many of the people might not see the potential as yet what lies within the Nio as a company, but I tell you, Nio has got a very bright future ahead. I mean, the fact that we are seeing the ONVO booth being flooded like this, I mean, this car, it's just all eyes on me, grabbing almost everyone in the Guangzhou Auto Show to come and have a look at that car. If today we are still in day 2 and this is happening, you can imagine the kind of orders, I will say this again, the kind of orders that ONVO is going to scoop at this event. I mean, one of the things that Nio did for ONVO at this show is that they went and also assembled a battery swapping station on the ONVO both, which shows you, or which is a very massive catalyst that will fuel sales to come onto ONVO, because I can tell you there are quite a number of people that in the previous auto shows they were going on to the Nio booth, but they could not buy Nio cars because it is quite pricey. It is expensive, therefore making it difficult for people to go and buy the Nio cars. But with ONVO, we're talking about a different language here, because ONVO, it is 10,000 cheaper than the Nio's cheapest car, which shows you of how affordable this car is. I mean, with battery, it is cheaper than the cheapest Nio car, 10,000 cheaper than the Nio 85 Touring and 85 mid-sedan, as those are the cheapest model that you can buy from Nio. This is bullish, this is massive, and this battery swapping station, or the battery swapping station that we are seeing onto the ONVO booth, just means or signals one thing, and that is blue sky is coming. So I am very happy, I am very excited about this, and seeing these massive crowds, large crowd of people surrounding the ONVO booth, boy, I must say it is good news, it is massive, and it tells us the potential that lies within this Nio stock. And I will say it again, I know that of course ONVO might not be selling the amount of cars that we want them to sell as yet. I know that the 10,000 for December might not be what you want to see, but our time will come. Q2, the ONVO CEO, the ONVO president indicated that they could be getting to deliveries of 30,000 on a monthly basis, which is something that we look forward to. When we get to that point where we sell over 30,000, it's lights out, man. And I mean, Q2 is not even far, it's less than a year, it's less than 12 months from now. And if Nio could be there in the next 7 months in terms of deliveries, I mean, it's just lights out for this company. It shows you the potential that lies within Nio. It shows you where Nio could be in the next coming months, and therefore showing you the potential that lies within the share price of Nio trading below $5. Looking at where Nio could be just in the next 7 months. I mean, these $4.50 or $4.49, it's an opportunity for the new investors to take this low trading price as opportunities to load the boat, to increase their holdings, because blue sky is coming. I mean, auto shows are never going to be the same with the ONVO L60 as part of them. Of course, EV makers that will be also participating, which is something that is bullish to Nio and Massive, because like I said, those that could not afford the Nio cars can now go buy ONVO as it is way cheaper than Nio cars. If still some people can afford Nio cars, there is Firefly coming, which will be even way cheaper than ONVO. Therefore, Nio catering for almost everyone in China who maybe wanted to buy a car that supports battery swapping stations. I mean, that's the cherry on top, right? Battery swapping station, the fact that ONVO does perform or is able to perform a battery swap together with Firefly, these are the winners, or these are the game changers for this model, because they are not just ordinary EV cars like the ones you see on the streets, but these ones also support a battery swapping station, which makes a difference. As that, ladies and gents, almost everyone driving a new energy vehicle car, I can tell you right now, they are dying to experience that kind of a technology, which is being dominated by Nio as I'm doing this video. So tell me what you think about this, man. Blue sky is coming. I just thought I'd just give you this quick update. Tell me what you think about this. I think blue sky is coming. Those that are persevering will most definitely be rewarded with time. I know that share price wise, Nio might not be trading where we want it to, but in the long term, I promise you, I guarantee you that we shall definitely be rewarded with time. Our time will come next year. Q4 Nio is going to turn to profitability, and you better brace yourselves for that, because when that happens, it's lights out for this stock. This below $10 market share that we are seeing right now, we shall see it no more forever, which is something that as investors we look forward to that. Otherwise, like I said, do your own DD. That's all from me, and God bless you all.